Hello, my name is Christopher Warner, and I am a sophomore here at Hicksville High School and a student of the S.T.E.M 10 class. I will be presenting to you my two independent projects. For my independent projects, I ended up doing two, not only one. For my first project here, as I bring it up to you, it is a Michigan wall art design made out of whiteboard. This project actually was originally supposed to be a nightstand. I had the original design to add legs to the bottom of this so I could be able to set things on top of it and have it in my room. But as I was painting it, I found out that the paint wasn't really turning out the way I wanted it to. So me and Mr. Farrell decided that we would do two. This one will be turned into a wall art, and here in a moment I'll be showing you the one that will actually become a nightstand. But first let me tell you a little bit about this project. This project was made out of 8 layers of blue water-based paint that surrounds the whole entire M. It is painted a navy blue representing Michigan University's colors, as well as the inner M here is painted out of 2 layers of yellow oil-based paint. This project, let alone the painting, took me about a week and a half to do, and I learned a lot about the layers of how to properly apply paint. The paint was slowly put on layer by layer using a sponge brush about 2 inches wide, and this whole board together is about 2 feet by 2 feet. So in total, it took about a week and a half to paint, and it turned out pretty good. There is a little bit of cracks and all that, but overall 2 layers of Mod Podge was also put on top of the paint to protect it from any more cracks and also just to support the paint from any damage it may be caused. For my second project, the one that we are going to turn into the nightstand, it is a compilation of 2 of my favorite teams, Michigan University once again, as well as Texas A&M. This whiteboard here is the same as the first one, about 2 feet by 2 feet, but this one we did a little bit of a different design. Instead of painting the designs I wanted on there, we applied Mod Podge to pieces of paper to go onto the whiteboard. And the pieces of paper are my favorite football players, Tom Brady, some other ones, my favorite coaches from both of the teams, as well as the Michigan University marching band, the Michigan hockey team, as well as the Texas A&M Corps Cadets and the Texas A&M Fighting Texas Aggie Band. So overall, both these projects took me about 3.5, 4 weeks to complete. I did end up learning a lot about how to properly apply Mod Podge to both of these, and I actually learned that you can Mod Podge paper to a whiteboard. I'd never known that before, but now I did. And I've also learned how to drill legs, which we will be getting those on there here in the next coming week. So I'm going to have a nightstand as well as a hanging wall art. So it's my favorite teams, and I really enjoyed doing both of these projects, even though one of them did not turn out the way I wanted it to, but I adapted to the situation and changed it up to a way I would want it. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. But hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and you learned a lot from the projects I did, and I really enjoyed doing this project, and I hope I can do it again in the future. Thank you.